I am Dr. Amrita Gogia. I am heading the Department of Dental Sciences at Medanta, the Medicity, Gurgaon. So today we are going to talk about oral health. Oral health begins with clean teeth and healthy gums. Keeping the teeth clean can help you prevent cavities, whereas keeping the area where your teeth and gums meet can help you prevent gum disease. Oral health is more important than one realizes, and it is often taken for granted. Your mouth is window into the health of your body. So many systemic diseases like nutritional deficiencies, diabetes, etc. may first appear in your mouth and can be picked up by a dentist. On the other hand, poor oral health is associated with increased risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, premature and even low birth weight babies. It has been shown that people who get their cleanings done at least once a year are 24% less likely to have a heart attack. Also, poor oral hygiene adversely affects your diabetic control. Gum disease is present in 75% of pregnant women, and this can lead to premature and low birth weight babies. So now I will talk about certain signs which you need to watch out for when you need to visit your dentist immediately. First and the most common sign is bleeding or swollen gums. Your gums hold your teeth in place. When your gums are not healthy, you can even end up losing a tooth. Sensitivity to hot and cold. Any increase in sensitivity should ring an alarm bell. Sensitivity to cold and sweets could mean a cavity or even thinning of enamel. A dentist can provide treatment for both these concerns. Increased temperature sensitivity could also be because of poor gum health. If there is sudden pain, then you also must visit your dentist. Any toothache, however mild or transient, should make you visit your dentist as soon as possible. Toothache can also be due to cavity. Small cavities can however be totally asymptomatic or painless. Mostly moderate to severe pain is reflective of a deep cavity approximating the nerve. Such a tooth may have gone beyond the stage of filling and would now need a more aggressive treatment like root canal treatment. Also, malaligned or irregular teeth could be a cause of concern. It is never too late to visit a dentist for getting your teeth aligned properly. Even if you have straight teeth, they may not be in a very correct bite. This can even lead to other problems like wear and tear of your joint. One needs to get orthodontic treatment not only for a better smile but even for a better function. And nowadays you can opt for a more cosmetic looking orthodontic treatment with aligners, which are also called as invisible braces. So let me give you some tips to maintain good oral hygiene. First, brush your teeth twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste, and you must not forget to floss once a day. It is equally important to brush effectively, so ask your dentist to give you a correct brushing technique. Always rinse your brush with water and let it air dry. Never cover it. You need to change your brush whenever the bristles get frayed, or at least once every 3 months. Use a soft bristle brush or even an electric brush is as effective. So let me give you a take-home message. One must visit a dentist regularly. An adult should go to a dentist once every 6 months, and a child should visit a dentist once every 3 months. The first visit for a child to a dentist should happen before his first birthday. So lifetime of proper hygiene improves quality of your life. We at Medanta are committed to this cause. My special forte is treating the fearful children, adults, so I can assure you that once you are here, once you have won over your fears, dental treatment can be a fairly pleasant experience.